One of the most common signs that your residential AC unit needs repair is when it is blowing warm air instead of cool air. This could indicate a problem with the compressor or a refrigerant leak. Another sign to look out for is if your AC unit is making strange noises such as banging, grinding, or squealing. This could be a sign of a loose or damaged part that needs attention. Additionally, if you notice a musty odor coming from your vents, it could mean that there is mold or mildew growing inside your AC unit. When I experienced these issues with my AC unit in Jacksonville, I reached out to the professionals at Bold City Heating and Air for help. They provided emergency AC repair and expert air conditioner service to quickly diagnose and fix the problem. Their local HVAC company was able to efficiently repair my cooling system, ensuring that my home stayed comfortable during the hot Jacksonville summers. I highly recommend Bold City Heating and Air for any AC unit repair needs in the Jacksonville area. When it comes to HVAC issues like home AC repair or central air conditioning repair, many homeowners are faced with the decision of whether to attempt a DIY fix or call in a professional air conditioning technician. While some minor AC troubleshooting can be done by the average homeowner, more complex problems may require the expertise of a professional. In my experience, I have found that it is always best to seek the help of a professional AC technician, such as Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida. They have the knowledge and experience to accurately diagnose and repair any issues with your HVAC system. Attempting to fix a complex problem on your own can lead to further damage and potentially costly repairs down the line. Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida helped me with all my HVAC needs, from home AC repair to central air conditioning repair. Their air conditioning technicians were knowledgeable, efficient, and provided top-notch service. When it comes to residential AC repair, I trust Bold City Heating and Air to get the job done right. When it comes to residential HVAC repair in Jacksonville, understanding the AC repair process is essential. Whether you need air conditioning installation, air conditioning system repair, or home cooling repair, it's important to know what to expect. First, a technician will assess the issue with your AC unit to determine the best course of action for repair. This may involve diagnosing problems with the system, such as leaks, faulty components, or lack of airflow. Once the issue is identified, the technician will discuss the repair options with you and provide an estimate for the cost of the repair. In my experience, Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, provided exceptional service when I needed help with my AC unit. They were thorough in their assessment of the issue and quickly repaired my air conditioning system, restoring cool air to my home. I highly recommend Bold City Heating and Air for any Jacksonville AC repair needs. When it comes to maintaining your residential AC system in Jacksonville, there are a few top tips to keep in mind. Regularly changing your air filters, cleaning the outdoor unit, and scheduling annual maintenance with a professional AC repair specialist are all crucial steps in ensuring your system runs efficiently. One HVAC service company that I highly recommend in Jacksonville is Bold City Heating and Air. They provided me with professional AC repair and exceptional service when I needed help with my AC system. Their expertise in Jacksonville heating and cooling is unmatched, and they were able to address all my concerns and provide me with valuable tips for maintaining my residential AC system. If you're looking for reliable AC repair near you in Jacksonville, I would definitely suggest reaching out to Bold City Heating and Air. Their team of experts will ensure that your residential AC system is running smoothly and efficiently, keeping you cool and comfortable all year round. Neglecting AC repairs in your home can have a significant impact on your comfort and budget. Regular air conditioning maintenance is essential to ensure that your system is running efficiently and effectively. Failure to address issues such as ductless AC repair or HVAC repair company services can lead to costly repairs down the line. In Jacksonville, air conditioning repair is a common need due to the hot and humid climate. It is important to have a reliable residential AC service on hand to address any issues that may arise. Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida offers top-notch HVAC repair company services to keep your home comfortable year-round. I recently had the opportunity to work with Bold City Heating and Air for my AC repair needs, and I was impressed with their professionalism and expertise. Their team was able to quickly diagnose and resolve the issues with my system, ensuring that my home stayed cool and comfortable. I highly recommend Bold City Heating and Air for all of your residential AC service needs in Jacksonville. When it comes to energy efficiency and AC repair, there are a few key steps you can take to save money in Jacksonville. One of the most important things you can do is to ensure that your home air conditioning system is running efficiently. This includes regular maintenance such as changing filters, cleaning coils, and checking for any leaks. If you do need repairs, it's crucial to address them promptly to avoid further damage and higher costs. AC compressor repair and 24-hour AC repair services may be necessary in some cases, so it's essential to have a reliable local AC repair technician on hand. This is where Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida comes in. They provided me with top-notch service when I needed help with my home air conditioning repair. Their expertise and prompt assistance saved me time and money, making them my go-to choice for all AC repair needs in Jacksonville. Living in Jacksonville, the weather can have a significant impact on your AC system. The hot and humid climate in Jacksonville can put a strain on your AC system, causing it to work harder and potentially leading to issues that require repair. Regular home AC maintenance is crucial to ensure that your system is running efficiently and effectively, especially in a climate like Jacksonville. If you find yourself in need of AC system repair or maintenance in Jacksonville, it's important to find a reliable air conditioning repair company that you can trust. Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida offers top-notch services for residential HVAC systems. They can help with everything from AC repair cost estimates to regular maintenance to keep your system running smoothly in the face of Jacksonville's weather conditions. Trust Bold City Heating and Air to keep your home comfortable year-round. When it comes to the future of residential AC repair technology in Jacksonville, staying on top of maintenance is crucial. Regular Jacksonville AC maintenance not only ensures that your system is running efficiently, but it can also help prevent costly repairs down the line. Whether you need a residential air conditioning repair or just an AC repair estimate, having a reliable Jacksonville AC technician is key. As a homeowner in Jacksonville, I have found that having access to AC repair service near me has been essential. Being able to quickly address any issues with my AC unit has provided me with peace of mind and comfort in knowing that my home will stay cool during the hot Florida summers. Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida has been instrumental in providing me with top-notch service for all of my AC repair needs. Their knowledgeable technicians have helped me with everything from routine maintenance to unexpected repairs, making them a valuable asset for residential AC repair in Jacksonville.